Hi friends, today we will discuss a common problem, which we need in Excel in our everyday life. We sometimes try to copy two columns from there which are 4 to 5 and take them to another sheet. But what problem arises if I hide the columns which are in the middle? And then copy those last two columns and paste them in another sheet, then what will happen? It happens that the column which we have hidden in the middle, that column, gets pasted in the other sheet also. That is only for the 2 or 3 columns which we want to copy and paste. That does not happen, so today I will show you the trick as to how we can sort out that problem. First we will select the column which we want to select and press Alt semicolon. After that we will paste it by pressing Ctrl C and copy it and go to the other sheet and paste it. Only then this problem will be solved. This is a very important trick which we need in everyday life. Thank you.